If Photoshop is showing error 21, that usually means there's a permission or file access problem during installation or update. In simple terms, the installer can't properly read or write the files it needs, so the process gets blocked. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, starting with the quick solution and then moving into the main fix that usually solves the problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, try the quickest fix. Run the installer with administrator rights. Find your Photoshop installer or the Adobe Creative Cloud installer, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer elevated permissions, which often clears up the error right away. If the install continues normally after that, great, you may not need to do anything else. But if error 21 still appears, move on to the next step. Now we're going to close any conflicting Adobe processes. This is important because background processes can lock files and prevent the installer from making changes. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and end anything related to Adobe that could interfere with the installation. Specifically, end Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, CCX Process, and Adobe IPC Broker. If you see them, select each one and click End Task. After closing these processes, try the Photoshop install or update again and see if the issue is gone. If you're still getting Photoshop error 21, this is usually the real fix: folder permissions. The installer needs proper access to Adobe folders, and if your user account doesn't have the right permissions, the installation can fail. There are 3 main folders you should check. The first is C:\program files \Adobe. The second is C:\program files open parenthesis x86 close parenthesis \common file \Adobe. And the third is C:\users \your username \appdata \local \Adobe. Replace your username with your actual Windows username. To fix the permissions, start with the Adobe folder you want to repair. Right-click the folder and choose Properties. Then go to the Security tab and click Edit. From the list of users and groups, select your own user account. Once selected, enable the permissions for Full Control, Modify, and Write. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. You should repeat this for each Adobe-related folder listed, especially if the installer was blocked from writing files in more than one location. If Windows asks for confirmation or admin approval, allow it so the changes can be applied correctly. After adjusting the permissions, go back and run the Photoshop installer or update again. In many cases, this step clears error 21 because the installer finally has the access it needs to complete the process. If the problem was caused by a locked process, admin privileges, or restricted folder access, one of these methods should fix it. The most common solution is the folder permission step, so don't skip that one if the first 2 methods don't work. And once Photoshop finishes installing or updating, it's a good idea to restart your computer so everything loads cleanly. That's it for this fix. You've now learned how to handle Photoshop error 21 by running the installer as administrator, closing conflicting Adobe processes, and correcting folder permissions on the folders that matter most. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.